Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known to millions as Mahatma Gandhi, was not only a leader, but an emblem of a philosophy that transcended national and cultural boundaries. Born on the shores of Porbandar, India, on October 2, 1869, Gandhi's journey from a timid boy to the towering figure in the fight for Indian independence is a tale grounded in simplicity, resilience, and profound insight into the human spirit. His early years were marked by an ordinary education, yet they were an important foundation for the extraordinary path that lay ahead. A transformative chapter of Gandhi's life began when he set sail for England to study law. There, in the bustling cities far removed from Indian soil, Gandhi shaped the contours of his beliefs, partially through his encounters with different cultures and ideologies. However, it was not until his time in South Africa, where he fought against racial discrimination, that he began to forge the principles of Satyagraha, a synthesis of truth and firmness. It was a compelling tool of nonviolence that allowed him to stand opposed to tyranny without resorting to violence. Returning to India, Gandhi found a land ripe for change, but shackled in the chains of colonial rule. As he traversed villages and towns, he connected with the common folk, speaking a language they understood and empathizing with their plight. His understanding that true strength lay in unity and non-violence reverberated throughout. Gandhi's initiatives such as the Salt March, where thousands marched in defiance of the British salt tax, and the Quit India movement, where he demanded an orderly British exit from Indian soil, were paradigms of his philosophy in action. His life was not devoid of controversy or challenges. Instances like the partition of India and internment in prison tested his beliefs and leadership. Yet, Gandhi remained steadfast in his quest for a free India, seeking to harmonize diverse religious and social perspectives through dialogue and compassion. His assassination on January 30, 1948, was a profound loss. Still, his legacy remains immortal, not only inspiring the ongoing Indian narrative for justice, but echoing in movements worldwide. From Martin Luther King Jr. to Nelson Mandela, leaders globally have drawn on Gandhi's principle of nonviolence as a guide in their quests for justice and equality. His life's work serves as a luminous beacon advocating for peace, change, and the power of peaceful resistance. Gandhi's teachings continue to resonate, inviting each new generation to ponder the potent power of truth and nonviolence in bringing about transformative change.